So achieving net zero is something that requires a partnership between industry, academia, government and the public as well. And the creation of initially the South Wales Industrial Cluster and that then leading to Net Zero Industry Wales has pulled that activity together. So we've come together as more than 40 of the main energy using CO2 emitting industries in the region to look at a plan to decarbonise, reduce our carbon emissions, improve our productivity and maintain our competitiveness. We created the South Wales Industrial Cluster back in the early part of 2019, and from that point we've attracted over £100 million worth of research funding across university and industry partners to try and achieve that aim of decarbonising the industrial activity in South Wales.
A lot of the journey to net zero is unknown. I often make this comparison to climbing Everest. Net zero is like reaching the top of Everest, and they're always in clouds as you cannot see the top. And as such, there is really some need to actually think about doing research in not only what those technologies of the future might look like, but how we also can implement an existing processes. And I think USW has been very well placed to help and support industry with those challenges, how we can bring new technologies into the existing industries which we're already operating through the Hydrogen Research Centre, for example, but also supporting some of these industries in running demonstration plants.
Industry is so important to the economy of South Wales and Wales as a whole. We don't want to let that go. We want to make that thrive, but thrive as a decarbonised activity.